Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of Shop Miss A makeup. Like, this is what arrived the other day. I tried getting a full face. I got all these products. This is how they dropped it off. I don't know if you guys ever ordered from Miss A, but usually they like bubble wrap everything, and this is how they arrived. Not bubble wrapped, and they literally like DHL driver just went like this. Not bubble wrapped. And I also did my nails the other day and I hate them. Anyways guys, so I'm feeling extremely tired, which is why I have my cup of coffee with me, and my chair is like, it just doesn't stop squeaking and it's so annoying. Let's just get started with the video. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell down below also so you guys get notified whenever it is that I post a video. Now that I'm working from home, you guys, I feel like I have so much time to like film more videos. So let me know what kind of videos whoa, it's been a while since I recorded, so I'm a little rough. But yeah, whatever videos you guys want to see, let me know down below. Yeah guys, let's just get right into the video. First things first is that I excuse you. So I got this face primer from AOA. This is the Aqua Hydrating Face Primer. I don't know how it's going to feel on my face. I usually, for primers, I don't go with anything hydrating just because it leaves my face oily. That's why I really don't get anything hydrating in the summer. Usually I go with like a good sunscreen, a facial lotion that has sunscreen in it. It does feel sort of tacky, which is good. I like tacky in a face primer. We'll see how it holds up with the foundation though. So moving on to foundation, I got this AOA Studio Pro Wear foundation. It's supposed to be full coverage, very big statement, but I got the shade Buff and I got the shade Sand. I'm thinking Sand is gonna be more of my tone because this one is looking really light. So if I have to, I will like, I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these brushes right here. So I got this brush right here. This is a bronzer brush, but I got it for more foundation than a bronzer brush. They didn't have a foundation brush which I could try, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here. I also got a powder brush which will come in handy later on. This is a brush right here. The bristles aren't that stiff. I do like that. They're sort of soft. Love that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Sand. I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze it on my face. And if it's not my skin tone, oh well, because these are the only ones that I got. Oh my god, that's definitely not my tone. So I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to go ahead and grab this AOA Studio Sculpt FX contour stick. I got the shade Sun Kiss. And normally I really don't use a contour stick, but I just grabbed it because I've tried every single product out there of contour. I even tried their contour powders, and yeah, I don't like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these. So so this went on really creamy, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same brush that I used for my foundation and just blend this out. Oh, that blended really good. So fast. Okay, work. I am not really like a contour stick kind of girl. I prefer more of my contour powders, and that's just what I like and what I know. But damn, that works so good. And just blending this out because it's looking a little harsh. So I'm gonna move on to concealer, and I'm gonna skip over this part because I didn't get anything concealer in the concealer department. I've tried so many of their concealers and I don't like none of them. None of them work for me, and I just don't like them, so I'm not going to use them. I'm going to go ahead and skip over this part, so for you guys it'll be like in the next clip. So I'm going to go ahead and use a blush. I tried this out also in my last video, just so you guys know. This is the Amuse Cosmetics Blush Quad. I'm going to mix this one and this one up just because, you know, it's still summer. Summer's not over just yet. And I want to go ahead and use as much blush as I can because I normally don't wear blush in the fall or winter. I am over summer. I want it to be cold and sweater weather. I just want it to be cold, period. Yes, we went to Vegas like 2 weeks ago. Oh my god, we regretted it while we were there because it was 118 degrees. You guys, I was melting. Like at night it was like 100 degrees and during the day it was like 118, which it was bad, but it was good. So I'm gonna move on to the brows. I got 2 new brow pencils. This is the Slim Brow by AOA Studio. So these remind me of the Anastasia brow pencils. It does have a spoolie on one end, and on the other end obviously you have the product. I'm gonna go ahead and use dark brown. I'm just gonna go, you know, run this through my brows real quick. I got this eyeshadow palette. This is the Amuse Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It doesn't have a number or anything like that, but it looks like a little plastic, but it looks like that. The colors are gorgeous. Like these blue ones are calling my name. They kind of look like the Jaclyn Hill palette, these blue ones. Or is it just me? I also got this Amuse Cosmetics eyeshadow palette as well. If I can open it. So it looks like this. This is a highlighter, by the way, which is the highlight I'm going to be trying out later on in the video. So I'm going to start with this color right here just because it's like a neutral tone. Ooh, okay. Okay. This shade is actually very pigmented. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade next. I'm actually gonna put it on the outer corner. Alright. So far, you guys, like I'm having minimal fallout, so there's not that much fallout with this shade. Okay, like work. I'm gonna grab this brown right here, and I'm gonna grab this on just like any fluffy brush. This is from Kylie Cosmetics, and hopefully it works just as good as that orange because that orange is looking pretty fire, if I do say so myself. So I'm just gonna place that in this outer corner. It's not as pigmented for sure, that orange shade, and I'm just going to use that on this outer corner right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this blue shade right here and I'm gonna put it on the lower lash. I just want to test it out and see how the blue is. Just want to test it out. You guys, I'm blind as fuck. I literally have to have the mirror like this, like so close to like my eyes. So I'm gonna take this aqua shade right there just so that I can blend out the lower lash line. I mean, not bad. It could be more pigmented, to be honest, you guys, if I was to recommend a palette. So I think I would go get this one rather than this one. If I really had to recommend a palette, I would go in. Obviously they're both $1, but this one has more, you know, pigment to it, and this will have to go with it a couple times to get the pigment, if you know what I mean. This one does have more fallout and this one has less fallout, but that could be because of like the way they were pressed. So more pigment, more fallout, less pigment, less fallout. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this shade right here for my lid. Obviously, I think these shades would go way more better with like your finger, but because of like the nails, I really can't. So I'm gonna go with this eyeliner pen from AOA. This is the Artista one. It's in the shade brown or dark brown. Looks like this. It's just a really small fine tip liner. So I got 2 of these. These are the Amuse Cosmetics Dumbo Jumbo eyeliner. So I got a dark brown. So I got the dark brown and black one. And then it comes with like a little sharpener on this side. And then I got the medium brown and black. I'm gonna go ahead and use the brown one for the lower lash liner. Okay, maybe I have to like, oh, used a little bit in the back of my hand. Hopefully that makes it work. There's not that much color coming out of them. So I got these right here. These are the Sexy Metallic Superfine Liner. So I got the shade 1, 2, and 5. So 1, 5, and 2. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use 1. I just lined it up along with that black liner. I got 2 mascaras like I mentioned, but one is the primer, which is this one right here, and then I got the Fat Lash, and it is called Fat Lash Primer, and the Fat Lash Mascara. But I'm not gonna do natural lashes today, so I'm just gonna apply the mascara, and the wand looks promising. Ooh, I like how it separates the lashes. Okay, AOA. I'm gonna go ahead and use these lashes. These are from AOA Studio. These are the 3D Faux Mink Premium Natural Lashes. I got the style Harper, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these out. The lashes are actually not bad. They look really, really pretty. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and also be purchasing these lashes along with other ones. They do have more styles, but this one was the only one that was available. I got quite a few things for the lips, and for a few things I mean like all of these. So I got a lip gloss, which looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks so freaking pretty. I think it's like a color glaze right here. And then I got this Matte Kiss soft matte lipsticks. They look like these. So this is the shade Melon. I have the shade Raspberry, which is, I think this is the darkest shade. Yeah. So Tangerine, which the name should say that it's like a little bit more orange. And then we have the shade Peach. Oh my god, my voice. This is the shade Peach. And then we have the shade Honey. Okay. You guys, can you see my cat? I got this LA Colors lip liner in the shade Nutmeg. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this shade. So I'm going to grab Honey, which is this one right here, just because I want like a more nude shade. I am going to go with gloss on top. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Amuse Cosmetics Diamond Gloss. It looks like this. This is in the shade Sugar. Oh my god. Love. I feel like there was so many products. So if you guys stuck to the end of this video, you know, I talk way too much. I just realized that every time I sit down and do these videos, I'm like, shut up. Just make sure to give me other suggestions if you guys want more videos like this. I know they're always coming out with new products at Miss A, so let me know if you guys want more videos. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell down below so you guys get notified whenever it is that I post a video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.